working your groups on this. It's the product of our two ages is 156. What's the product? The answer you get when you multiply. And the sum of our ages is 25. So there are two people. What we want to find out is how old they are. But it has to fit both parts of the question. So you're going to look for two numbers that when you multiply them together, you get 156. When you add them together, you get what? 25, right. All right, you can work in your groups for a couple of minutes. When you have it, one person from the group, I want to see the work done. Put it on one paper like you usually do. I'll come around, coupon for the group. One for this one for the next one. Got it already? Multiplication done? You're right. Some of the different ways you can do it, trial and error. If you multiply two numbers and it comes up too high, go down at least one. Can both people be the same age? Why, Sarah? Okay, there are no two numbers the same. That something plus something would be 25. You've got to get the ages. Don't forget the ages have to equal 25 when you add them together. What are your two ages? 12 and 13 is all right. Partners have to help here. Make sure they help on the next one. Turn it over. Maybe another couple of minutes to work on this one. Remember, what you're doing is when you multiply two numbers together, they have to equal 156 for your answer. You're going to have a number here and a number here. Then, when you add the two numbers together, they have to equal 25. Those same two numbers. And what would be the easiest way to look for it first? Is it the multiplication or the addition? Anyone? Probably addition. If you look and see what two numbers you can add together to get 25, and then try the multiplication of those two numbers. So what combinations can you add to get 25? Start with that. Did your group already get it? No. All right. Think about what you think about. Oh, okay. All right, that's 18. Okay. But now that doesn't multiply to 156, right? Another minute. Well, now try to see what happens if you multiply those. Another group, sir. Already starting. There's a starting point. Alright, one more minute on this one. Photos? Yep. About the last two groups here. Now when you add 15 and 12, you get 25. So we know that can't be right, so don't even do the multiplication part. Do the addition part first. What two numbers can you add together to get 25? Okay, but if you multiply 15 times 10, what's it going to come up to? Okay, you're close, but you're not exact. So you instead of 10 and 15, you might want something in between those numbers. Are you going the wrong direction? What did you have before? How about this group? Okay, look up here. What did you start with for adding? Jennifer had said 10 and 15 would equal 25. That would take care of this part. But what happens when you multiply 15 times 10? What do you get, Flynn?
You get 150.
All right, 150. We're close, but we're still not there. All right. Train, what did you do?
13 plus 12.
All right, it's 13 plus 12, or 12 plus 13, 25. All right, what happens when you multiply 13 times 12? Does that come out to that? 3 times 2 is 6. Got your right answers there. 13 and 12 the people are. This one's going to be a little harder. This one's 2 coupons. You will have until 5 of. At 5 of, we're going over it. 5 of. 5 minutes you have. Remember we did a problem talking about saving money and saving a certain amount of money on one day, a certain amount the next day. This says on May 1st, Larry began saving money. He decided to put away a dime each day. On May 8th, Elizabeth also began saving money, but she decided to put away 15 cents each day. Bless you. On what date will Larry and Elizabeth have saved the same amount of money? And how much will it be? Larry is saving 10 cents a day. Elizabeth is saving 15 cents a day. First look to see what day Larry is starting on and what day Elizabeth is starting on. You might want to make a chart for this one. You might want to make a chart.